What's up, guys? So I'm here with Unice Hair once more today. So I got a bag and I got a box today. So I have this Ziploc bag here with, what is this? Whoa! Alright, Unice is coming strong. Oh my, oh wow. Unice sent me a branded robe. Dang, they keep on upping their game. Like, wait. See, it's branded Unice in the back and Unice in the front. Okay. Alright. That's very nice. I love that. Have some strings on it. And it has this string that came with. You can put through the loops here to tie it. That is so nice. Shout out to Unice. Always trying to be, creative and sending really nice gifts and stuff. I love that. I love that. So let's see what's in the box today. Same packaging as usual. I'm so hyped. What? So open the box and I have this drawstring bag here. It's branded Unice, good for storage and stuff. And then I got this goodie bag here. I have like a elastic band branded Unice, bonnet, have a pair of lashes branded Unice. And I got one more of these brushes. And so, that's not everything. I got the wig, of course, but we'll get into that in a few. I got another bonnet. Wait, let me look at this one to see the difference, because that's two bonnets. Oh, so this is actually another bonnet, but this one has the part that you can tie. So, it's really like secure on your head. Yo, Unice gifts are, top tier. I'm loving it. I got another branded elastic band. I got a headband. And I got 2 wig caps. Okay? That's everything in today's packaging. It is a 10 out of 10 packaging. Let me get all the pass up. I'm not telling you no lie. I wanna see for yourself. See, Unice has worked their way into being one of my faves. I can't even lie. So, alright, the wig that we're about to try today, right guys, is a V-part. Now, honestly, I stayed away from trying V-parts for so long. But I said, okay, let me go ahead and give it a shot. Plus, Unice always gives great quality. All right, so this is what we're working with today. This is what we're working with for today's V-part wig. This is a 24-inch highlighted curly wig. As you can see, it's very full. The hair is very soft. The color job looks really nice. So this is a V-part, as I said. But okay, so what I noticed right off the bat, right? So this is meant for you to wear. You could go ahead and try to wear this without any leave out, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. Now, I ain't gonna even tell you no lie. I tried wearing a V-part in the past and I just didn't like how it looked. So I'm gonna attempt trying it again today. What you noticed here, maybe the one that I tried, I don't know, maybe it was a construction, but for today's V-part, if you notice, hair doesn't have like a surge, like a definite surge look. Like, when you can see the tracks on the wig, this doesn't look like a track. I guess it is kind of supposed to mimic the hair, so the mesh is kind of free edged at the very, I don't know if it doesn't have that definite surge or weft look. So it should camouflage within your hair nicely. So I'm going to, it has these clips as well. This is what you use to secure on like your braids on your head. And inside of the wig has a total of 3 combs along with adjustable straps in the back of the wig, so more security and stuff. It looks really good. and your girl is gonna attempt installing this with no leave out. All right, and this is the first wig video of this kind that I'm ever doing. I've never done a V-Part wig before, so this is my ultimate first time trying it with, well, trying it on my channel and showing you guys, you know. So let's go ahead and jump into trying this out. Listen guys, I realized after speaking in these clips here that the mic was off, but basically, so as you can see, I started to install it to my braids. Now don't mind my braids. They are worn, guys. Yeah, these braids have been in my head for like 2 weeks now, so the new growth is real. Divinity Glam Isle, not going by at all. By the way, that's coming back soon. Anyways, get back to the video. So as you can see, it's so easy just sticking in the combs. It's like a snap clip. They snap in and out, and that's what keeps the wig on very secure, along with the straps in the back. And you see how close I brought it, so you know it's not too obvious. You know, and as you see, I did my edges. For me, I personally feel like doing my edges added to just making everything look a little better and more natural. And I'm not gonna lie, I mentioned it further on in the end of the video again. I feel like the construction and the work that Unice put into, you know, developing this wig is really nicely done, because it looks good. You understand? The first time I tried, as I said, the first time I tried it, I feel like those parts in the middle there look more like a surge, or it was very bulky and very noticeable, you know? So I feel like this is definitely a better construction that I'm working with today, and I'm happy about it. I definitely recommend this for my beginners. It is super easy to work with. I use my hot comb here, as you're seeing, because I wanted the area to look a little flatter. It was too lumpy for me, and that was because it's, you know, curly from the root, so I wanted that area to lay flatter. But you saw it was so easy peasy. Like it doesn't even take like 5 minutes good to stick those combs into the braids. You know, it's a really quick install, hence this video is not that drawn out, you know. And for me personally, you guys know I love to put one piece of the hair behind my ear, because that's just my vibe. And this is the hair before I wet it up. It's nice. It has that nice voluminous look. It's super nice. Like, the color job is beautiful, and I love it, to be honest. Proceeded to wetting this up with just water, because I don't mind when it dries down to get back some of that volume, but I kind of wanted to like get more definition, so I proceeded to wetting it up with just water and brushing it out, so you know, get that nice juicy curly defined look. And it was easy to brush out. It didn't tangle a lot or anything. I did get just a little shedding, but not a lot, so that is good. I feel like this wig is perfect for those people who don't like to be too confined to an install, so you want to take off your wig every day or every night. This is perfect for you guys, so you could definitely look into a wig like this. So I can say for sure that, yeah, it definitely came out good. Doing my edges, I feel like definitely added to it for me personally. If you don't want to do your edges, fine, you know, it's totally optional, but I feel like it added to it. And as you can see, I cannot wear my hair down like this to cover my entire face. No, it's just not going to feel right to me, you know. I'm gonna feel like I'm suffocating, so I have to put one piece behind my ear. But you could go ahead and wear it however you wish, but this is so easy, very convenient, very beginner friendly, super quick, super quick. You don't need any wig experience, like wig installation experience, to rock this out and install it on your own, because it doesn't take much. So shout out to Unice Hair. I feel like the construction of the wig really made it easy as well, because I feel like the first time I tried it, which I didn't film, the portion here wasn't, it looked more like a weft, like a surge, so it was really hard to kind of like conceal. So, you know, and it's totally up to you guys if you want to do no leave out, or if you want to do a little piece of leave out to, you know, for your blend if you wish. You know, it's totally up to you, but I definitely give them a go. You know, I'm going to be sure to drop the information on this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link if you guys are interested in ordering this wig for yourself. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Very easy, very convenient, and it's, yeah, it's very different. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.